Up to you, Gija speaking. Let's dive into the one nice option on a Power BI. Just look at the insert and select the button and select the navigator, page navigator. With the page navigator, you have possibility to add access to the each pages. In the case of your report has many pages, and also it would be sometimes elegant. So I will add it as a first pages, the info pages in the case of you want to have some references on the info pages, and look how we have a possibility to add the page navigator. Very simple, easy going, and you have a chance to change the size, padding, background, visual border, which is already all of them are existed in the other visual of the Power BI. And also you have a bunch of the fun things in the case of you want to change the shape of the navigator, the oval, but I keep going with the rectangle. But I would like to a little bit more softer, soft. As you can see, a little bit has a nice curve here. Uh, and you can change the style based on what you would like, and then play with all the colors. In the case of if you want to change the colors, for the example, in the case of you add the tooltips, you can have a change of the hover style and selected style. For the selected style, for example, I can keep with the black, and then maybe for the filling, I put the white. So in the case of the, I want to have a same, but it's not nice. It's better that selected one has the different colors. Even just we can keep it about the colors, so you can play around that one and to look at it what you would like prefer as per the other option on your page. And you have more elegant. The one more option which I want to tell you, we have possibility to uh, get off the hidden pages, so it doesn't need that to show. And also regarding the shape, you have possibility to have horizontal or vertical. For the vertical, it will be look like that one. So in the case of you want to add some information here, or maybe you want to add it in the other pages. For example, I keep it this one, could Control C and bring it on that pages, because on the top is full, so you can add it on the pages. So as you can see, we are in the variance, and the variance has a change the colors. On the Power BI desktop, you should keep control and then select it in order you want to change the option. But when you upload on the Power BI server, you can easily, by the clicking, you can select which pages you want. I like that possibility of the Power BI, and so I would like to share with you. Have a great time.